So we're going to be staying at Bally's in Dover, Delaware tonight. So we're going to give you a room tour. It'll be a Deluxe King Suite. From the hotel entrance, registration check-in is right ahead and slightly to your left. This is the hotel lobby, actually. Royal Prime is a steakhouse here at Bally's in Dover. It's a very nice restaurant. Also to your left, when you come in, is one of the entrances to the casino floor. But we're going to go straight ahead because Angel already got us our room. Okay, so this is a Deluxe King Room in North Tower. It's room 800. That's the end of the hall. Yeah, so when you come in, you have this little set of dressers. It's nice. Coffee maker, of course, ice bucket. And then immediately to your left as you come in is the bathroom. So only a single vanity. It's a decent size, but it is a little older. Actually, step-in shower, I should say. I mean, it has a tub, which you don't see that often, and no glass enclosure. So that's a little dated, that feature. Good lighting in here, though. And then as you consider, you actually have this nice little makeup nook here, I guess, to get ready. So that gives, in this case, Angel some extra space to do her hair and makeup. And then to the right, actually, real closet doors on here. Pretty substantial closet. Typical ironing board, and the safe is right here. Go this way, you got a full-length mirror and a little seating area here. You got your TV. Be sure we get a refrigerator. Yes. You get a refrigerator. That seems to be working. And it's an extra set of cabinet drawers right there. Decent sized desk. And then a table with two chairs and another sitting chair here. And then the king size bed. It's a little smaller than our king. Probably is. Probably what they call a hotel king. And two table lamps. So there's a little storage there too. So it seems to have plenty of storage. Probably not the best view out here, right? Yeah, it's just a view of the parking lot. Still, we're up on the top floor. I think this is just, actually, no, there's 9 floors. So one off the top. So again, this is a quick look back out. Spin around. So what I'll do is I'll addend this video after we spend the night here. Let you know if we find anything wrong. First glances, I don't see anything, any issues. Hotels have a weird smell. This one does not. It smells really good in here. And well, let's know if there's any issues with the bedding or anything else, noise level, that sort of stuff. So yeah, I just wanted to give you an update now since we spent the night here in this room here at Bally's in Dover, Delaware. On the positive, it's very quiet here. Now we are at the end of the hallway. So again, we don't get all the foot traffic, but it was extremely quiet. The cooling system, their AC is great. It's not too noisy. You can adjust the fan speed. So that's a plus. And after we spent some time in here, the room was very clean. We didn't find anything that wasn't working. So that's all on the good side. And the bed, comfortable. The bedding is, not top notch, but it's completely adequate. The pillows are, again, they're a little on the small side. So, that depends on what you like for pillows. On the negative side, it really be the bathroom. The lighting, I thought looked good at first, but it's not very great. It's only the couple lights on the mirror, and they're not very bright. The shower, like I mentioned before, it is a step-in tub with a shower curtain, not a glass enclosed shower like you see in a lot of hotels today. And the shower head, can't adjust it at all. Well, you can move it, but it has no adjustments. It does have great water pressure, and the temperature, you get hot water here, so that's another plus. Last thing negative about it, I would say, would be the towels. They look like the towels that my mom used to give us to go to gym. You take the gym at high school. They're very thin. They're small. They only give you 2, so definitely ask for extra towels. I mean, we're not big people, but I needed 2 towels just to dry off pretty much. So keep that in mind. Other than that, though, it's been a great experience here. It's the first time we stayed overnight here. I would say, again, pricing, it's hard to say. Full disclosure, I got this room comp. I only had to pay the $19 resort fee. So generally, though, Sunday through Thursday, they have pretty good deals, especially if you're a Bally Rewards member. Even if you don't have a higher tier level, you can usually get a room discounted. I think normally, though, the rates for a room like this in the weekdays runs anywhere from 118 to 140 something. It jumps up into 200s on weekends in the summer. But like I said, there's no state tax here in Delaware. So all you do is pay the room and then the resort fee, and that's $19. So overall, a pretty good stay, and where we give this hotel a positive recommendation. All right. So I hope this was helpful for you. See you again soon.